Question 33. A class of pupils set up the experiment as shown below. They used 3 different liquids, namely tap water, seawater, and swimming pool water. They observed that the bulb lighted up when the switch was on. Okay, so for this question, you need to take a look at the table because the students recorded their findings in the table below. So when they used tap water, the bulb was dim. When seawater was used, the bulb was very bright. And when swimming pool water was used, the bulb was bright. Okay, so the pupils studied the information on the table and presented their findings to their teacher. Which one of the following findings is correct? Now we need to make a note here. Okay, the first note that we need to make is that since the results involve observing the brightness of the bulb, so this question here is testing on conductors of electricity and not heat. So we have written a note down there. So if the question is testing us on conductors of electricity, we can actually eliminate, okay, option number 2, because option number 2, swimming pool water and seawater are good conductors of heat, is talking about conductors of heat, which is not what the question is testing us for. Okay, we can also exclude question number 4, option 4. Seawater is the best conductor of heat. Again, the question is not testing us on the conductors of heat, so we can eliminate option number 4. So that leaves us with 2 options. Now let's take a look at option 1. Tap water is an electrical insulator. Now, we need to make another note here. Okay, since all the bulbs lit up, all the different types of water are able to conduct electricity. So the point here is, if all the types of water cause the bulb to glow or light up in one way or another, it shows that they all conduct electricity. So again, if all of the water conduct electricity, then option 1 is out, because it is talking about tap water as an electrical insulator, which is not the case. It still conducts electricity, only that it does not conduct it that well. Okay, so let's take a look at option 3. Seawater is a better electrical conductor than swimming pool water. If we take a look at seawater, it gives your bulb a very bright glow, whereas for swimming pool water, the bulb was only bright. So in a way, seawater gives a brighter bulb, so seawater is a better electrical conductor than swimming pool water. So in this case, the answer for this question is option 3.